Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be tons of fun. We have so many things to cover. We are going to talk about the bag of the day and what fits inside. We are going to talk about the next bag of the day, which is going to involve an unboxing. Yay! We're going to talk about 2 additional products, one of which is related to one of these bags and perhaps even the bag of the day. And we are going to talk about something beautiful and fabulous. So you got to stick around for the whole 9 yards if you want to see everything. But let's start out with the bag of the day. The bag of the day up until this moment has been the Fendi Mia chain tote in the smaller size. I don't know if that's the exact term for it, but it's pretty close. This bag, I have shown you how to wear it crossbody, but I have been wearing it on my shoulder. And let me just show you kind of how that looks. If you wear it on the shoulder, it doesn't seem to slip off. The leather bits hold it in place, and I don't like overlapping them. So I put them side by side, and I have found that I like to kick it back over the back of my body so that it's not right up in my armpit space. It has about, I think, a 7.5 inch drop, but for me, it's more comfortable like that. The only real drawback I have found is that it's wide open, and so I have had a card holder fall out of it when it tipped over in my car. I have a couple inserts from larger Gucci Marmont style that I ordered in the hopes it would fit a different bag, and it didn't. And so now I have these, and they actually fit this bag really well. Without them, it would turn into a hot puddle or a hot mess that resembled a puddle. And I have all the normal things that I carry in it. You can see I have oodles and oodles of space. So I'm gonna put her down. Her exit from my daily wardrobe is gonna happen very shortly. The next thing I wanted to show you are some beautiful new roses by Rose Forever. Now these actually smell like roses. My first 2 sets of roses that I got from Rose Forever were in the ivory color in the crystal container, as well as the domed set in the black marble container. And neither one of those sets really smelled like roses, but these do. They smell really good, and they are treated with natural oils just like the other 2 sets. And what's cool about that is they are preserved for up to a year, if not longer, because I have heard many YouTubers say that theirs have lasted longer than a year. And so I have been really enjoying my white ones and my pink ones, and I reached out to Sylvia with Rose Forever and said, is there any way you might send me some blue? And she said, you betcha. So I love these for decorating my closet and my home, and I really love them as backdrops for photographs that I take of handbags. So I'm excited to add a new color and new backdrop to my Rose Forever palette. If you decide you would like to buy some of these, I will link the website down in the description box, and I also have a discount code. It is HBHW25 for $25 off. They're already low prices, and they were having quite a sale on these. This set I think was a little over $200, but not much. And then, of course, you would get the extra $25 off. And for most people, they last for a year or more, which is incredible. No bouquet that you get from your local florist is going to do that. So I have an unboxing for you today. I am dying to get this out of the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that. This is an item that I got from Love My Lvoe on Instagram, run by Bella Feldbrandt. Bella has been great to work with, and this is my first purchase from her. I have sold her several things, and I like selling to Bella because I feel confident that she's going to pay me when I send her these expensive items, and she's not going to come back later and try to scam me or anything like that, which is something that always scares me. Selling very expensive items through PayPal or through Zelle or Cash App or any method of payment makes me a little nervous of scammers, but particularly PayPal invoice and eBay, and even you just almost aren't safe selling. I've heard even Zelle can be not safe. And I don't know how you can scam people those ways because that's not something I study up on, but I like selling things to Bella because I don't have to worry. One of the cool things about buying from Bella is that she does payment plans. Now, I didn't do a payment plan for this, but if you need that, she does that and will work with you. And the other neat thing is that sometimes you can find items that aren't available in the store anymore, and this is one of those things. So my kids are gonna love these treats. I can tell you that right now. In fact, I might go bring some to them and then come back to you. So I've got me some Louis Vuitton in this box, and I am super pumped about this. I got this bag's sister not too long ago, and I liked her so much when I took her out for a spin, I had to buy this one as well. I don't do this with much patience. Once I get to this point, I just whip the bag right off so I can show you what's inside. So I've got the New Wave in a navy blue. This is in beautiful calfskin leather, and it has the microfiber interior, but like I've told you in the past, Louis Vuitton microfiber just really can't be beat. It feels thicker than any of the other microfiber I have felt from other brands. This is the New Wave Chain Bag MM. It comes with the cards there that talk about what it is. It's got a patch right there. This is a chipped bag, meaning that if I run my NFC reader in my cell phone over this, I will pick up the information on the bag. It's got the center zip compartment, and then it has a wide open pocket right here. This is the MM size of this bag, and it has the aged gold hardware, just like my Rose Ballerine version. So let me grab her real quick so she can say hi to her sister. So here we go. We've got two New Wave bags now. When I like things, I go big or go home. I buy them in multiples. Anyhow, this is a gorgeous bag. Look at how pretty that blue is. Look at how pretty that pink is. I've worn this bag for a couple days and really enjoyed it. The one thing about the pink one though that scared me was how light the interior is. And so I reached out to a company that I haven't worked with before, Zoomoni, and I got some inserts that I wanted to show you inside one of these two bags today. Just like with Rose Forever, I have a discount code for Zoomoni as well. I picked this gorgeous pink shade to go with the pink bag. And since I was unboxing the blue bag, I thought I would show you inside that because it'll be a fun pop of color. I've never gotten a little care card before, but this is cool. It tells about the fabric content of the Zoomoni organizer as well as the care instructions, and also they have indicated what bag it is for. The front compartment is just a slip compartment. The back compartment has two pockets, and then they also included this little card holder which has their name on it. When I just said that, I got it backwards. The front compartment is the bigger of the two, so it's the one that has the two pockets, and it looks like your cell phone would fit in there quite nicely. And then perhaps on this side you could put some cash if you wanted to keep the inside of your bag cleaner. Of course, you still have all the organization that the bag has to offer, which is a lot. But I did want to show you how the beautiful pop of pink looked inside of the Louis Vuitton New Wave Chain MM bag. This is the bag I really wanted these for though, because I'm terrified to get this lining dirty, and I think it's just going to preserve it for longer. So I'm for sure going to use these inserts in this bag, and I love how they fit. It's a very custom look. I plan on carrying the navy today, so I'm going to go ahead and load this up and show you how items fit inside the New Wave chain bag. I had to rearrange and use a different pouch, so I shifted from my larger pouch into this little Clinique freebie. I've got just my concealer and nail files, and I have a little screwdriver in here. I do have like a feminine product, a Tide-to-Go stick, my Afrin, and my key fob there. So I have both pieces of the Zoomoni insert in. Again, I've got my one card holder back here. In the middle, down low, I've got my AirPods case. Here, I have my medicine pouch. I did put my cash in the center compartment. And I have a few little like gift card, punch card things right here in this back compartment. This bag has tons of pockets. And honestly, I'm not sure you really need the pockets on this one longer piece. It adds a little bit of extra thickness to those inserts. And on this bag, the main reason I wanted an insert was to protect the pink one, because that one is definitely more fragile on the interior and I want to keep it nice. Speaking of keeping things nice, Louis Vuitton still has my LV Lock Me BB for repair. And so I have this other organizer Zoomoni kindly gifted to me, and so I am looking forward to showing you how it looks in the Lock Me BB as soon as I get it back. So I think I've shown you all the things. What do you think of my new wave chain bag, MM? I am loving it. She's so gorgeous. And thank you so much to Bella from Love My Lvoe for selling me this beautiful bag. By the way, guys, I got it for under retail, which is unheard of with Louis Vuitton, but a lot of Bella's prices are either at retail or a little below, especially when you factor in taxes, which you probably won't have to pay if you buy from her, depending on where you live. I think if you live in New York, you might have to, but I'm not quite sure how that all goes. So what can I say? If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.